Hey there virtual learners, this is Mr. Bondi. Welcome back to the channel where we have all the tips and tricks you need to rock your virtual learning experience. In today's video, we're going to talk about what to do if your camera or microphone isn't working in Zoom. Let's get started. Let's say you join your class in Virtual Virginia, but your camera won't turn on, or the microphone isn't working. Here's what you do. First, navigate to the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Then select Settings. Once in Settings, click on the shield icon, Privacy and Security. Now, navigate down to Site Settings at the bottom of the page. Here, in Site Settings, you should see one or two options for Zoom. You may see VB School Zoom, you may see PWA Zoom, or you might see Virtual Virginia Zoom. The steps are going to be the same for each one. So, select Zoom, click Clear Data, and clear. Click Reset Permissions, and reset. Allow the camera, allow the microphone, and most importantly, allow pop-ups and redirects. Now repeat this process for every Zoom option you have. Do it for the Virtual Virginia Zoom, the Virginia Beach Zoom, or if you have the option, the PWA Zoom. Once you've completed these steps, refresh your browser, sign back into Virtual Virginia, and your camera and microphone will be working. That's all for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.